Now, what we'll do is add our administration pages in this next step. So I'm going to go back to our resource pack directory, and this time we'll copy the 5th folder here called Adding User Administration. And then we'll rename our current site folder 04.site so we can keep track of it. And then we'll paste in our new folder and rename it site. Let's demo this before we look at the code. I'll jump back to the browser here, and I'm going to click log out so we can go through the login process again. Notice again that our links up here are out of date because we've already logged out. Now a good challenge here would be to figure out how we can display the correct links up there immediately after either logging in or logging out. So I'm going to fill in my information here again. So my username is Chris and my password is test. Everything looks the same here. We get our notices, we get welcome Chris. You are logged in, enjoy, but now we have this link that says administer users. If we click this link, what we'll see is a list of our current users with the UID, username, a delete link, and an edit link. Let's go ahead and edit this Chris link in order to modify it. We'll change the username in this case to UltraChris and save changes. When we did that, we see our list here now says UltraChris for the username, so we successfully saved it. We also see the SQL statement that was responsible for updating this record in the database. And our notice here says the user was updated. Okay, now let's try adding a user. So I'll click the Add User link there, and let's fill in the username and password. So our username is Zaphod, our password is Relax, and I'll click Add Entry. Okay, we get a notice here that explains the SQL statement that inserted this record. It says the user was added. And in this list now, we see Zaphod here listed next to UltraChris. And finally, let's delete this user and see what happens. All right, now our list just says UltraChris, and it says the user with UID 3 was deleted. So we've just run our CRUD utility through its paces, and everything seems to be working well.